Okay, thank you, Rand. You have 1 minute for questions.
One second. We're not, it's impossible to understand. Even Islamic republics I see here jumping around the United States asking for money. What is this?
Madness.
Silliness.
Okay, Rand, you have 30 seconds for questions.
Yes.
France.
The French Republic would like to make a point of clarification and a question both in one. We would like to remind you that we are here talking about the gender in Iran and not about the situation all over the world. And we'd like to ask, how come that Iran is at the bottom 10 of the Gender Equality Index? How could you explain this? We are here, the question was, what measures were taken by government so that you are saying that Iran is a perfect environment of economic empowerment of women? Please explain the situation, please.
I'm confused the way. How do you expect an answer from me while you haven't been answering my question for the last half hour and everybody has been saying that? You've been running away from my question from Iranian women in your country. Employment empowers women while your law contradicts whatever you're doing right now here. You even fire, you discriminate people. You discriminate people who are with hijabs. You prohibit them to come to work who were actually working before. And how in the end do you expect an answer from me?
Around time. We can either move to give Iran more time or we can have the next speaker.
Yes, let's.
If you'd like Iran to have more time at the podium, please raise your placards. All right, Iran. 5 more minutes. Next question for Iran. Indonesia.
Delegates from Iran, they, Iran's women, went to our country's streets without hijab.
No, they're not. And that's because of their own will. Because they have been protected for this Islamic revolution and government, and they have won that revolution. They achieved what they want. Don't try to turn them back, because they will not.
Latvia.
Question to the delegates of Iran. So, as in Iran there is a successful women empowerment, economical empowerment, etc. But in many different countries, women's rights are actually are discriminated. So, why shouldn't it be the international problem? Is this when these developing countries are not able to improve their women's rights?
In many countries of Africa, people die from hunger. This is not everybody's problem. We never faced that. We never brought that on the topic. We had this Millennium Development, which we will not reach until 2015. We have problems around the world, but this is not an international problem.
What is the situation?
Point of information for Latvia.
Actually, the hunger problems are discussed by ECOSOC as economists. So if the hunger problems are going to be discussed there, so please do not turn it here because we're actually talking about women empowerment.
Unfortunately, I wasn't turning the point. I was concerned the way that these international organizations and conventions do not work. They're not efficient at all.
Okay, so Aaron needs to make an announcement.
Okay, listen up. Raise your hands if you are from October. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where are these 7 other people from October?